super quick update. What date is it today? Is it the 4th? May the 4th, Star Wars Day. Yeah, so it's May the 4th, and Spanky's just putting the second coat of the anti-mould stuff on. It stinks in here. Like, I'm having to put my sleeve over my mouth because it reeks of like chemicals. I think that's from that, like, obviously the anti-mould treatment. But it's just got to board up that window and get some stuff on it. What's it called?
Got to put some battens on it, a batten framework around the outside, and some intermediaries or whatever the bloody hell they're called. Like dap. Maybe just dap. And then some insulation to go in there, and then the board on the top, and then some boarding round to make the rest of the frame up. And then some battening to put hooks on, and then some lights, and then whatever else the pink noggin thinks of.
The pink noggin. Oh, well, we just need it decorating, but you're going to have to paint it because I'm shit at painting.
Oh, yeah, I'm painting as well, yeah.
Yeah, so we've got some lavender paint, so I don't even know if it matches this perfectly, but we've got some bags of glitter to put in it, so it's going to be sparkly, which is cool.
Yay.
Because he hates glitter, and I love it. So yeah, so this is going to be all purple. Hopefully, we're aiming for, we're not planning anything, because planning just doesn't work, but we're aiming to be in by next weekend, fully moved back, well, say, me, back in, so all of this will be set back up again, ready for filming, streaming.
Once the painting's done, I'm out of there.
Yeah. Painting, the paint for decorating your job.
We will be setting up a camera ready for when she builds the bookshelves.
Oh, you're really not going to do it for me?
I think it'd be great viewing.
We've got, so basically, because I lost all of my bookshelves, sorry if I sound funny. Yeah, so I'm just muffling. I lost all my storage basically because it went dead mouldy, so I've had to order new stuff. And it's flat pack, and the one thing I fucking hate is flat pack, because I can't do it and I get angry at the instructions and I start swearing and get really frustrated. So Spanky does it, because I am awful and I get super angry. So he wants to set up a camera and just leave me to build it, because there's going to be a lot of foul language and anger.
Stick a vote on the video.
Oh, what, a poll?
Yeah.
What? Who? No, because it's just going to be me swearing at a bunch of...
But do people want to watch it? Who should build the flat pack, me or you? Simple as.
Oh yeah, but if you do it, it'll be done properly and quickly, which means I get in the studio quickly. If I do it,
but if you do it, it'll be exceptional viewing quality.
It'll be it'll be swearing.
Yeah.
And anger and cursing and everything.
It'll be dead good.
It won't be. Right, I'm going to go out because it stinks. Bye-bye. But yeah, so this is studio update for now, for today, and hopefully in the next few days it'll be different again. And then yeah, we're going to be podcasting and everything, aren't we? That's going to be fun. Just going to show how thick I am by doing lots of like history stuff. Right, see you later. How can you breathe in here without a mask on? It reeks. Right, I'm leaving you to it. It's horrible. It looks like a murder scene in here, look.
Dexter.
Yeah, right, see you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Right, you can put your shitty music back on now.
The stories now.
Oh, our stories.
Change your mind.
We're listening to...
Skaven Slayer.
Is that some Warhammer stuff?
Yep.
Oh, you're such a nerd.
Yep.
Right, see you later.